Yeah, Sage Biz. Car washing edition. Let me say this one more time for the people out there that just understand. We out. Sure, yeah. I got the bucket and the hose. Gonna wash that car like a pro. Washing cars, gotta paint and shine like the stars. I got the soap and the sponge, making that chrome shine like the sun. I ain't no slacker, that's how I earn my paper. Washing cars, gotta make the paint shine like the stars. Washing cars, gotta make that engine sparkling clean. You know I got the time to go ahead and make that sparkle shine. I'll make that car look brand new. You'll be cruising, feeling fly and cool. We washing cars, gotta make the paint shine like the stars. Cause we're washing cars, gotta make that engine sparkling clean. So next time you need your car washed, you can go ahead and call me. I'll make it look brand new. You'll be flying. You'll be cruising and feeling cool. Next time you need your car washed, just give me a call. I'll make it look brand new, and you'll be cruising feeling fly and cool. Gotta wash the car, gotta make it shine like the stars. Cause we wash cars and we wash cars. I'll get the soap and the sponge. Gonna make the chrome shine like the sun. Cause that's just how we washing cars. Gotta paint, make it shine like it's the stars. Got the bucket and the hose. I'm gonna wash that car like a pro. Gotta make that paint shine in the stars. Cause you know we out washing cars.